Looks like it's not even packed properly. Sad. Welcome back. Sheldon speaking. Today it's time for another food review. And here's what we've got. Hungry Jacks. For those of you who are not familiar with Hungry Jacks is the Australian equivalent of Burger King. I wouldn't even say it's an equivalent of Burger King because it is Burger King. So the name Burger King cannot be used due to certain legal requirements. Let's see what we've got. Whoa! I got like the popcorn chicken, the fries, and burger. Looks like it's not even packed properly. Sad. Let me taste the fries first. That's a long fry. I like it. Nice, crispy, soft, not too salty, and very fresh. Let's try the popcorn chicken. This is something new. So if I've got to compare the popcorn chicken from KFC with the one from Hungry Jack's or Burger King, as you all know it across the world, I guess the one from Hungry Jack's, that's this one, is less saltier. It has some spices and it looks like the batter is not as thick as the one from KFC. Thumbs up. And now I'm trying the Roadhouse Jack's Fried Chicken Burger. This is the first time I'm trying it, else usually when I'm at Burger King or Hungry Jack's I always have their Whoppers. This is the first time. Let's see how it goes. The Whopper is the best. This is not bad. It's good. But if you got to compare, Whopper will always be the best. There's a slice of bacon, slice of cheese, and a very thick fillet of chicken. Well, this is a medium-sized meal. I also got a medium Coke, but I had that because I was quite thirsty, so I had it while I was in my car. I think a medium-sized meal, if you compare this to McDonald's, it's so much better in terms of portion sizes. I think I'm quite satisfied with this one. Let me have my meal and then I'll give you an overall review of what I feel Hungry Jack's medium-sized meals are. So got this. Got 2 sachets of tomato ketchup. I had the burger and now I'm having the fries because the burger was so tasty, couldn't just keep it for last. The amount of fries that I've got, and this is a medium meal, I'm quite surprised. I guess it's more than what you would get in a KFC medium-sized meal as well as more than McDonald's too. Done with my Burger King meal. Done with my Hungry Jack's meal, which is also called Burger King. The chicken burger was nice. It was lovely, quite soft. The burger buns were very nice and fresh. The fries were awesome as well, and at the same time the popcorn chicken, which was the star of my meal. The popcorn chicken was not part of my meal, I ordered that separately, which was just for $5.95. If you compare the popcorn chicken from Burger King or Hungry Jack's to KFC, I would prefer the one at Hungry Jack's because they're so much tastier, less salt, and it feels so nice. So that's my overview for today's meal. A very small meal and nice one. Good portion sizes compared to McDonald's. So in terms of the big three, I guess McDonald's has the smallest portion sizes, then comes Hungry Jack's, and KFC has the largest portion sizes. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell so the next time I have another meal, you're going to get notified. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.